What? Did that just happen?
What just happened?
Amazing.
Okay, did we get that?
Yeah, I think we got it.
That was just for the thumbnail. We are now about to watch the trailer of 83, starring Ranveer Singh. It's directed by Kabir Khan, and this movie has been pushed. The postpone of the release has been pushed about 3 times now, and I'm watching the trailer for the first time.
Yeah, me too.
Ready to do this? Here
Yeah.
we go.
Well, India must be still recovering from the double thrashing they received from the West Indies and Australia. If they win today by a huge margin, they're still in the tournament. If not, so long.
Caps, it's 2 down, Caps.
menu.
That's another one gone.
Caps 3 down. क्या बचपना है? Just shut up.
This is a disaster.
Caps 4 out हो गया. इतने important match में भी serious नहीं होना है. मजाक की भी.
Whoa. Crazy, no?
Score क्या है? 9 run.
4 wicket down.
Okay. So such an apt impression of Kapil Dev, and if this Ranveer hadn't come out, and if Kapil Dev had come out, I would have not been surprised because it's so apt and so presentable. His
Yeah.
voice, his mannerisms, of course, his face and the makeup is like on point.
Yeah, a little comical. Are they taking a shower once the match has begun? Yeah, it's a test match, I guess.
Yeah, actually, one of the times Srikanth actually told a lot of things used to happen very differently back then. Yeah.
But the way he speaks, Kapil Dev has this nasal voice,
Yeah.
right? They've somehow managed to make that happen. And the buck tooth, Ranveer Singh, is actually carrying off the role of Kapil Dev. Like how?
Rock stars.
Where is our team bus? No bus here for Indian team.
That fast forward was so good, no? They came and they left, and these guys must be waiting for 2 days there.
By the way, guys, four of the actors who are part of the West Indies cricket team, they're actually kids of 4 of the actual cricketers who are part of the West Indies cricket team way back in 1983.
So at least they got the look right.
yeah,
because it's in the
spot
genes.
spot on.
Yeah.
आराम से मारना चिक्का. भाई नेट प्रैक्टिस है. हमको चुमा टुकु टुकु खेलने नहीं आता. और कपिल ऐसे समझा दे, मैं सर पे मार देनी बहुत. मैन तुम बत्ती पर नहीं आती उसे डिफेंस.
This is Srikanth,
Srikanth.
Speaking
And
Hindi.
That's Hardy Sandhu. That's his debut. Also, Sandeep Patil's son. He is part of this movie playing Sandeep Patil. His name is Chirag Patil.
Again, they got the look right.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they've got it right. I love Srikanth already.
And did you see that helmet?
Yeah.
These days it's so protected, no?
Yeah,
And
back
those
then.
days you'd be so free. There are a lot of costume changes and
Yeah.
uniforms are very different from that era.
चिक्के उधर क्वीन को हाथ मत मार देना.
Smoking.
Another common thing. We were discussing about this yesterday, no?
Yeah.
How cool smoking used to be back then.
Yeah.
Like it used to be a cool quotient that
Yeah.
cricketers smoke.
In the-
actors smoke.
In the 80s, 70s, so the way cigarettes were marketed back then
Yeah.
as well. So cigarette companies actually got in touch with athletes as their brand ambassadors. And these are the epitome of fitness when it comes to all the sports stars, right?
Yeah,
So they
of
would
course.
all smoke, and smoking would be a totally cool thing. And
I would have believed them at that point of time if they said smoking is good for health.
that's
like,
how
go
it was,
for it.
That's how it was
Yeah.
marketed,
Yeah.
almost
Yeah.
without actually saying it. And you can see like cricketers are smoking while they are in the middle of a match.
And this
things like
scene, can you see that Srikanth winks at the queen?
that. Yeah.
Did he have this problem? I didn't know of this problem that Srikanth had.
Best of luck.
Yeah, that's what happened.
ओए बल्लू, इसे बोल कल तुझे देख लूंगा.
बात सुनो है.
क्या बोला था? कल तुझे देख लूंगा.
Shoot मारो.
I'm pretty sure even the West Indian guy wouldn't have understood English. It's not like they are great at it.
That's damn cool.
Yeah.
I love the little bit of sledging
Yeah.
they've used. Deepika Padukone is playing Kapil Dev's wife.
Yeah, what's the hairstyle?
क्या है?
You mean do or die?
So now in 1983 we come here and our captain says we'll beat the West Indies. Hey, क्या पागल हो यार?
Wow! Wow!
Do you think this is the post World Cup presentation?
Jiva has done a great job.
Yeah.
He's done a great job playing Srikanth. I love him. I love it. Just the mannerisms, and Srikanth is so boisterous. He speaks in a certain manner. He's gotten into Shrikant's character.
And
so
Tamil guy
beautifully.
speaking Hindi, so
Yeah.
that's always supposed to be
Yeah.
funny, right?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Everybody look in the lens. What do you think are your team's chances in the cup?
We here to win.
To win the World Cup?
What as we here for?
Kapil Dev's English is not bad, no?
Quite see the ball. It's moving too fast for them.
That was so nice.
Yeah,
That-
that's like the most inspiring moment of the trailer, I think,
Yeah.
at least until now.
It just got serious.
Yeah, until
it
now.
just got
Yeah.
serious,
Yeah.
and it's almost like we are watching the whole movie because 3 minutes 49 seconds is the entire trailer.
Hmm.
It's a long trailer.
But not for this because it is a very historically relevant thing for India. So yeah.
It's giving away a lot. I mean, we know what happened with this match.
Yeah,
But I
there is no
hope-
suspense in the
Yeah,
story.
I hope
Yeah.
all the best parts are not covered in the trailer. I want something left in the movie, but it shouldn't be dramatic.
Yeah.
It shouldn't be forced fit dramatic things. Hopefully.
India in big trouble now. 2 wickets down in quick
Do you
succession.
like this? Do you like this uniform, Ram?
Yeah, classic.
yeah,
Classic.
no?
But you know, the way the ball was bowled and the way the wickets went flying,
Hmm.
that is exactly how it happened. So they've recreated every move, every
Yeah.
single thing. Even the way the stumps went like that,
Ah.
they've managed recreating
And just
that.
one
I
thing,
don't know how.
do you think that this photo that is of the Indian cricket team, this is the real photo. This is Kapil Dev. This is not Ranveer Singh. Or is it Ranveer Singh?
Yeah.
I think this is Kapil Dev.
No, it is. I think it's the actual photo.
It's the actual photo.
Yeah.
एक के बाद एक बल्लेबाज
मैच
लौटते
खत्म,
हुए।
वर्ल्ड कप खत्म, कप्तान खत्म.
This happens today
25
also.
साल पहले हम लोग
Nothing has changed in last 40 years.
Yeah.
With respect to this at least. एक तो मैच जीत के जाओ. क्या तेंदुलकर बन गया, क्या कपिल देव.
जीते मगर इज्जत जीतना अभी बाकी है कप्तान।
ग्राउंड के बाहर हमारी लाइफ में कुछ भी हो रहा हो, जब हम ये यूनिफॉर्म पहनकर ग्राउंड में उतरते हैं,
Nation pride.
मकसद होता है जहाँ
Good shot, no?
देश के लिए।
Even the way he's standing.
Yeah.
Ooh, that mole, the mustache.
The hairstyle. Good shot. Oh, good shot.
Say
Good
before
shot
we
and good camera shot as well.
Yeah.
Very well captured.
here to win.
Underdogs. Neena Gupta is here. Neena Gupta is here and Viv Richards' character is here. Just saying, just putting it out there.
Is Neena Gupta playing Neena Gupta?
I don't think so. I don't think she was this old at that point of
Yeah.
time. Yeah.
So, some people say that this may be young Sachin Tendulkar.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. It totally is.
Right.
It is the time.
I just want to break and say that I have goosebumps
Yeah,
everywhere
yeah.
just watching this
I was
trailer.
this years old when 2003 World Cup happened, but of course I didn't become a cricketer. It's not the same story. Oh, this scene from Lords. This must be that Lord's final day, no? Underdogs winning the World Cup, bringing India to the next level for the first ever time since independence. He says in one scene, no, we got independence 35 years back, but izzat abhi tak nahi mila.
Right. Oh man, what a trailer, what a movie.
Yeah.
I feel like standing up and saluting. I'm sure
It's so good, no?
I'm sure theaters are gonna go mad.
Yeah, I remember
It's
watching MS Dhoni in the theaters.
Lagan in theaters.
And it was not a theater; it was a stadium.
Stadium.
Now we're going to walk into the stadiums. We're not going to walk into
Walk into
theaters.
movie. 24th December, the movie is releasing, and this one's a sixer.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a success. I now understand why it was delayed for a theatrical release.
Yeah, this is a theatrical
This
release
is a
movie.
theatre
We can't
movie.
enjoy it.
Yeah.
At home.
Yeah.
Totally worth the wait.
It's just too good. We had a great time watching this trailer. Let us know how you liked it, and we'll see you in the theaters to watch 83. If not, you're not Indian.
Yeah, yes.
You
Now
don't
you have
love
to
the
watch
Indian
it.
cricket
Yeah,
team.
if you don't watch this and comment on this, then also you're not Indian. So do it.
Thanks so much for watching, guys.
See you. Bye.